Okay.
And I always forget, but I want to bring a piece of cordage.
Provided by Gumps. It's a way of life. We gotta make cables in random spots, bro. Cheers, mates.
Do you see where it goes? Like almost just off that,
Like where our nose is pointed right
yeah,
now?
it goes from like gravel to like,
Bigger boulders.
I think that's like a like a run.
No, you're right, because like water would need to move those bigger rocks there.
So, and we're definitely hearing a waterfall. There's someone over there.
And I'm even feeling the,
Great, or Hunter. Orange,
that speck of blue.
blue, is that a person?
Another, dude, this is kind of eerie.
Why do you think I brought the sword?
2 abandoned tents. Why did they leave so quickly, man?
I don't know.
Why couldn't they pack up?
Who knows?
Coleman.
This is a sweet spot.
Why did they leave quickly? It almost makes me wonder about this, dude.
It's a bando too.
Because like, look, that fire's not going.
Maybe they were chilling here and they got washed out. There's words here. Hornets in tent. So that's why they escaped.
Literal warning, bro. That's why they were abandoned.
This is what we would call extreme flood level.
Oh no!
Let me break it down for you guys. Yesterday we were in what Hamilton is, which is moderate. Today we are in, what is this? Red, which translates to extreme. So let's zoom in on these ratios we got going on here. So this is the river. The river starts in Cedro over here, goes into here, boom. This is currently where we are located, right here. Right in the middle. Just about right here, so we should be good.
We should be good.
I'll try to charge up my GoPros in case we have some good footage for you guys. Pretty damn hot. You're gonna take this and you're gonna go for it.
No, there's no way you guys are doing that.
Why not?
10% efficiency, my guy.